Best oxidation removers restore faded paint by removing oxidation, reviving color, enhancing gloss, protecting surfaces, and extending paint life. My today's video is about top 5 best oxidation removers for faded paint that are available in the market. If you want to know price and more information about the products that mentioned in this video, you may check the link in description box below. So now let's get started. Starting at Meguiar's M6732 Marine/RV One-Step Compound. Meguiar's Marine/RV One-Step Compound is an impressive solution for restoring fiberglass and gel coat surfaces that have lost their shine due to oxidation, stains, and everyday wear. Its advanced formula effectively removes moderate oxidation, scratches, swirl marks, water spots, and surface imperfections while simultaneously polishing the surface to a brilliant gloss. Unlike many compounds that require multiple steps, this product combines cleaning and polishing into one process, saving both time and effort. What stands out most is its ability to revive faded colors and restore depth and richness to neglected boat and RV surfaces. The finish looks noticeably brighter, smoother, and more reflective after application. Whether used by hand, with a rotary buffer, or a dual-action polisher, the compound spreads easily and delivers consistent results. Its versatility makes it suitable for both DIY enthusiasts and professional detailers. Overall, it's a reliable, high-performance compound that restores appearance, enhances shine, and helps keep boats and RVs looking well-maintained and showroom-ready. Now our second product is 3M Perfect It Gel Coat Heavy Cutting Compound. This product is clearly designed with professional-grade performance in mind, as indicated by its designation for industrial and occupational use only. Such products are typically formulated to meet the demanding requirements of commercial environments where reliability, consistency, and effectiveness are critical. The restriction against consumer sales suggests that the formula may contain stronger active ingredients or require specialized knowledge, training, or safety procedures for proper use. For professionals, this classification is often a positive indicator of higher performance standards and suitability for heavy-duty applications. Whether used in manufacturing, maintenance, detailing, or industrial cleaning environments, products in this category are generally engineered to deliver efficient results under rigorous working conditions. Users can expect a solution tailored for experienced operators who understand proper handling techniques and workplace safety requirements. Overall, the industrial use designation reflects a focus on professional-level performance, making it a dependable choice for businesses and trained personnel seeking powerful, consistent results in demanding occupational settings. Our third product is Chemical Guys Complete Clay Kit. This Chemical Guys Clay Bar and Butter Wet Wax combination provides an excellent solution for restoring and protecting automotive paint. The clay bar effectively removes embedded contaminants that regular washing cannot eliminate, including industrial fallout, road grime, and stubborn surface particles. As it glides across the paint, it leaves the surface remarkably smooth and properly prepared for polishing or waxing. The Butter Wet Wax complements the process perfectly by delivering an exceptionally deep, glossy finish. Its creamy formula spreads effortlessly and buffs off with minimal effort, making it suitable for both beginners and experienced detailers. The wax enhances paint depth, creates a rich wet look shine, and helps protect the finish from environmental elements. What makes this kit especially appealing is its balance of ease of use and professional-looking results. The combination of decontamination and paint protection significantly improves vehicle appearance while extending the life of the finish. Overall, it's a dependable detailing solution that helps achieve a showroom-quality shine with minimal hassle. Now number 4, Polyglow Deluxe Boat and RV Restoration Kit. This Polyglow restoration system delivers a comprehensive solution for bringing heavily oxidized boat and RV surfaces back to life with a striking, like-new shine. Designed to remove severe oxidation while simultaneously sealing the surface, it eliminates the need for traditional compounding and simplifies the restoration process into a single, efficient system. The updated liquid Poly-Ox formula improves usability, offering a smoother, cleaner application while maintaining strong oxidation removal performance. For those who prefer the classic approach, the powder version remains available, providing flexibility based on user preference. The deluxe kit stands out for its completeness, including Polyglow, Poly-Ox, and Poly-Prep along with applicators and clear step-by-step instructions. This makes it accessible even for beginners while still meeting professional standards. Once applied, it produces a deep, glossy finish that resists UV rays, salt, and environmental wear far better than conventional wax. With proper maintenance, the long-lasting coating can preserve a showroom-quality appearance for years, making it a trusted and cost-effective choice for boat and RV owners seeking durable restoration results. And our last choice is Turtle Wax 54349 Renew and Restore Wipes. This quick-action restoration wipe offers an efficient solution for removing common surface imperfections, making it ideal for both automotive and general maintenance needs. It effectively tackles oxidation on yellowed headlights, light scratches, paint transfer, water spots, swirl marks, and even bug residue, restoring clarity and improving overall surface appearance in minutes. Despite its strong cleaning ability, the formula is designed to be safe and gentle on clear coats and delicate finishes, ensuring effective restoration without causing damage. This balance of power and safety makes it suitable for regular upkeep across multiple surfaces. Its versatility is another key strength, working on paint, glass, chrome, stainless steel, and plexiglass, making it useful for cars, marine equipment, and even household applications. The single-use, on-the-go packaging adds convenience, eliminating the need for complex tools or additional chemicals. Easy to apply with simple circular or back-and-forth motions, it delivers noticeable results quickly. Overall, it's a practical, time-saving solution for maintaining a cleaner, clearer, and more polished surface appearance. So what do you think about this video? If you think this video is really helpful to take your decision easier, kindly subscribe our channel and click the bell icon to notify our upcoming video. Thank you for watching this video.